Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to force stop apps on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Firestick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Alright, let's get started. So to force stop an application on Firestick, I'll need you to hop over to settings. So just go to settings and then come down until you find the option that says applications. So there you have applications, click on it and you go to manage installed applications. From there you see a list of all the applications on this device. You can sort it alphabetically just like I have. And maybe you come to the bear player and you want to force up the bear player. Click on the bear player, you see permissions, launch application, force stop, uninstall. Just click on force stop. I just clicked on it, so I'm giving it a second. It's going to force stop the app and basically clear all the progress that was on that app for the moment. So when you launch the app again, it's going to be launched brand new. It's going to be launched afresh. So the app has force stop and that's it launching afresh. So that's how you find the option to force stop apps on Firestick. I hope that was insightful, I hope it was useful. If it was, drop me a like below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this.